y'all, it's Sharon Armstrong. I have been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for over 20 years. I absolutely love what I do. I love teaching people how to use our products. I love helping my team with whatever goals they have. And I wanted to take a few minutes today to talk to you about why should you join Stampin' Up! And specifically, why should you join my team? Well, first of all, for the discount. If your wish list is more than $100, you need to take a look at the starter kit. Starter kit to become a demonstrator, yes. However, about 96% of my team members, they do it to save money. They got the starter kit and they save 20% every time they place an order. So it's like having a coupon. So I help them, I encourage them to save that money, and I encourage you to think about doing the same thing. The second thing is, if you join under me, you will get all of my online class tutorials for free, and these sell for $15 for 5 cards. And as my first level recruit, you would get those for free. I have a team Facebook page that I also share a ton of other tutorials with those team members. So it's really great for inspiration and having step-by-step instructions to have those at your disposal. Speaking of the Facebook group, the Stampin' Friends Forever is my team name, and they get to enjoy all kinds of challenges, stamping challenges, excuse me. We have games, we have door prizes. It's just a lot of fun, and it's a great way to meet fellow demonstrators, or fellow stampers rather. As I mentioned at the beginning, joining under me, experience counts. I've been doing this for 20 years. When I first got my starter kit, I had young children, and my idea was, I'm gonna get that starter kit, I'm gonna learn everything I need to learn, and then I'll just quit. I don't need to do this. 20 years later, I am still learning. Stampin' Up! Keeps coming out with new products, new ways to use things, and I'm like, well, guess I'm never quitting, because again, that was my motto when I got in, and I am still here. Another reason is I am part of a group of leaders called the Creativate team. And I want to introduce you to them now. Of course, it's myself, my friend Jackie, my friend Connie, my friend Lisa, and my friend Brandy. We came together as leaders to help our teams, no matter where they want to be, whether they want to we support the hobbyist, we give business ideas for those who want to do more with the business. We are all full-time demonstrators. This is what we do for our job. What a fun job to have, I must say. And these ladies are fabulous business ladies, fabulous stampers, and you may even recognize a few of their faces if you're on YouTube. However, we came together, gosh, over 2 years ago to help each other with our teams. So you get that background as well. When you join as a demonstrator, there is no obligation. You get the starter kit, you get all your goodies, and then you go, I don't want to do this. The Stampin' Up! Police is what I call them. They don't come take your stuff back. You get to shop for $125 worth of stuff, anything you want in the starter kit. It's totally customizable. You only pay $99 plus sales tax. Free shipping. I always love those words, free shipping. So, and if you join before March 31st of 2018, we are in our celebration season, and during celebration, you get to pick out 2 additional stamp sets for free. There's that free word again. So, I want to ask you, why not? Why wouldn't you do this to save the money? If you are a crafter, a hoarder, a craft stasher, whatever you want to call yourself, I encourage you to get in touch with me if you have questions. I just want to know why not? Why wouldn't you want to save the money? You enjoy this, you enjoy the Stampin' Up! Products, you need to save the money. If you have any questions, I will have my contact information below and at the end of this video. I really appreciate you watching, and if you decide that this isn't for you, I would still appreciate a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. I do have some fun videos on there to help teach you how to use your products. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great one.